Hello. This is Will from Say How You Feel. I know that I'm not usually in my normal setup. What I am in my normal setup, this my light is a little different because I'm actually getting ready to shoot a video. Well, I'm shooting a video, as you can see. Uh, so I just want to do this quick recording to post something because I'm really getting my channel to be doing to really how you can make money doing stock videos, stock transfers. We talk about plastic salt transfers, and those are great when you have orders that you don't have a screen printing ability. You have large orders you don't want to do in vinyl. But they also have a thing called stock transfers, and those stock transfers kind of look like this. Well, that's not kind of. This is one of them. It's in reverse, so on here it looks normal. Let him give you a hand. Uh, and the purpose for the stock transfers are so that when if you don't have designs of your own, I know that when I first started doing t-shirts, I really wasn't a designer. I didn't really know how to do Photoshop that great. Not to the extent of doing t-shirts. I'm a little better now and then. Uh, Sometimes I'll buy designs. A lot of times I'll buy designs from someone. I'm getting old. All this gray hair in my head. Oh, okay. Uh, so what I did was when I got my first heat press, I ordered some transfers that came with and then I got a heat press at a different price. Was it a great deal? I love the heat press. Knowing what I know now, when I do the same thing, probably so. I got to teach one of the designs is uh, heck, this is old. This is about 10 years old. When I started this thing, and so the reason why I like the stock transfers is because it's a screen printed transfer. You don't have to really have an idea to get started. You can kind of pick and choose and get some ideas. And some people sell them between $10 and $15 a shirt. On Etsy, I might sell it for like $15.98 or something like that, but I offer free shipping. So, and some people might just do it for 10 and offer free shipping. If I'm in public, if I'm face to face, I might do it for 10 because I don't have to pay for the shipping or whatever the case may be. But you know, now I don't really get into what I sell on Etsy, but anybody can get the transfers, the Etsy, to sell them. But you have people say, "Oh, you didn't make the design." I didn't say I made the design. I pressed it. Just tell them I didn't. I put the shirt in the my heat press. Put the shirt and the design together. My shirt. Call it what you want. I paid for the design. I don't like telling a woman who has a weave, "Oh, it's not your hair." Okay, it's hers. She paid for it. What difference does it make? Buy the shirt or don't. So I tell people my goal is to show you how you can make money with plastic salt transfers. Not only plastic salt transfers, but more specifically, however you say it. My daughter says I say it wrong. Uh, One of my daughters, I have six of them. But more so talking about stock transfers so that you can get out here and make some money. Now I'm going to show you how simple it is to print one of these transfers. I'm going to take the transfer that I just showed you. This one, as you can see, I got them all over the place. You know what I'm saying? I got stuff everywhere. You know. And I still have my screen press, of course. You know what I'm saying? That was another trick that I did that's a stock transfer. Just getting some stuff on my Etsy page. Let's see how I can set this up. So, the shirt is already on here. You place this here, right? Like you do any other transfer. You press it. I don't know why I grabbed that because my hand would be on fire. You lift and you peel it. Sorry about that. You peel it hot. So you can see, I don't know how to change this camera around, but as you can see, so you have a full screen printed design on your shirt. You dig what I'm saying? Nice screen printed design. Bada boom, bada bang. Turn around and sell that shirt for $10 to $15. Like I said, the shirt might cost you $1 some change. The shirt will cost you $1 some change wherever you get your shirts from. $2 max. The transfers $1 max, $1.85, $2. So you got $4 in the shirt. Even if you sold it for 10, you more than doubled your money anyway. You see what I'm saying? So you just have to find designs that work, find designs that go. Some go well, some don't. But it's just you find your niche. You know, you find your audience and you make your money. So again, this is Say How You Feel. This is Will from Say How You Feel. Please like, share, and subscribe if this helped you in any way. Share this video out. By all means, hey, get out there and keep saying how you feel. Let you say it with your chest. Don't worry about what people think. Get to that money. Have a blessed day. Peace.